Is Python better or Java? Is Python going to replace Java? What is going to happen to all those applications which have been written and are running successfully on Java? Are they going to become non-existential? These and there are many more questions that we face daily, that the techies today have on Python versus Java. So I thought let's address them over here. Hello and welcome to Tech Shorts with KD. I've been a Java guy throughout, do not have much experience on Python, so I thought I should get an expert who is experienced both on Python as well as Java to talk about this important topic of Python versus Java. Please welcome Manish More.
Hello friends. We have been hearing a lot about what's the basic difference between Java and Python. So everybody knows about it being object-oriented programming as one of the major things between Java and Python, which is common. But did you know that there are major differences between these two languages which make them completely different from each other, and one cannot be a differentiator or an alternative to the other? The first one is serialization. When we say serialization, it means in Java, multiple functions are or can be executed in parallel with each other, and it is decided by something called as a Java compiler. Versus in Python, there is no parallelism which happens. Python code is converted into a bytecode format directly, and each and every line is executed one after the other. And I'll tell you why it has happened in some time. The second difference is memory footprint. You must be hearing that for any machine learning model, Python is the basic language which is used. The reason for it is not a language which is converted into a middle layer before actually converting into bytecode, which basically ensures that Python is always directly converted into a bytecode format and executed at runtime with a very small footprint. Versus in Java, where it gets converted into a compiled class file and then a JVM is applied on top of it, which basically makes it slower as compared to a Python code base. The third and important point is session handling. Now, Python is good in some things, but Java is also good in some things, and one of it is session handling. You may never see a situation where you have persistency, workflows, and such kind of programming code being opted with a Python as base. It's always Java which takes the cake here, because in Java, major priority is given to the way that the sessions are handled, the persistency is managed, and also the security of the code base which is being executed is taken care of.